Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So right now I'll be doing a quick unboxing and a review of this awesome looking HyperTough solar LED security light. Now as you can see on the box here, this says it has high efficiency solar panel, which is right on top of the light. It has dual motion sensors. It has a super bright LED, excuse me, and also includes a lithium ion battery which is inside. Now, on the bottom, to show you some specs, it provides 1000 lumens of power. It has it has two motion detectors, one on the right, one on the left. It has a 120-degree detection area and has a 2-year warranty. And then right on the right hand side, it has a this is equivalent to a 75-watt bulb equivalent. And also has it's also a very white, it's a daylight 5000 Kelvin LED lights, and has a 18 year of life, 8 hours based on 8 hours a day of usage. So here's the back of the box. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the back. It basically shows the same information. Here's what it looks like if you were gonna mount it on the wall or on the side of the garage or whatnot. It's an outdoor light, obviously. It's a security motion light. And here's what the actual light, solar LED security light, looks like. And as you can see here on this LED security motion light, it's got plenty of LEDs. There's 4 on the left, 4 on the right, and like another, honestly, about 40 or 50 on the front. And these are very bright. And these are on the left hand side and the right hand side, right over here. These are the motion detection sensors. And you can see right on top, this has a nice size solar panel that's built in. I just bought this just a couple days ago, and it seems to be working. It works pretty good, to be honest. And then on the back, and actually I'm going to show you the front, also comes with some accessories I'll show you guys here in a minute. But it comes with the 2 pre-drilled screw areas. These are the holes where you're gonna put the screws in. And I'm going to show you the back of the light. It's pretty straightforward. Now if you guys can see this here, this shows you basically, this is the on and off switch. If you switch it to the left, it turns it on. If right now I have it in the off position, which is all the way on the right. And what comes inside the box, let's go ahead and see what comes inside. It comes with a few useful accessories. And the back of the panel, the back of the manual is, one side is Spanish and this is the English side right here. So whatever language you speak, whether it's English or Spanish, help yourself. And also comes with some nice mounting material. Here's the bracket, here's the screws. I'm not sure what the black piece is for, but I'm sure if you were going to purchase one of these. I haven't mounted it yet. I used it yesterday. I just had it sitting right next to a window and I was like, wow, this is I am pretty impressed, to be honest, for an LED security solar light. And you also get some mounting screws, 2 mounting screws, and these 2 I guess these are called anchors. So yeah, so let me know what you guys think in the video. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and turn the switch on to show you exactly how bright this unit is. And it's actually very bright, honestly. It's been charging in the sun. I had it sitting right next to the window for about 7 or 8 hours, pretty much all day. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the switch on, and you can see how bright this bad boy is. And as you can see, as soon as I turn on the light, the switch in the back, look how bright this is. I mean, this really face it the opposite direction. And here's kind of getting dark right now. I'm actually outside, and any motion turns this light on basically. So there it is. I turn off the switch. So if you guys have any questions, or if you're interested in such an awesome LED solar security light with motion detectors that basically you can mount it pretty much anywhere outdoors, to be honest, which is weatherproof, go ahead and check out the link in the description. Let me know what you think of my video. And if you are new to my channel, I would definitely appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment in the comment section below and I'll get back to you soon. Other than that, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.